Welcome to my Cisco Packet Tracer tutorial. Today, we will secure switches in a network with VLANs, covering key NetACAT CCNA topics like port security, DHCP snooping, and more. This build on our HSRP network focusing on switch security. Let's get started. Let's open Packet Tracer and build a topology with 2 routers, 2 switches, and 4 PCs. We'll use VLAN 10 for sales and VLAN 20 for IT, with HSRP providing redundancy, but our focus is switch security. We've set up 2 VLANs, VLAN 10 for PC0 and PC1, and VLAN 20 for PC2 and PC3. The switches connect to the routers via trunk ports. This topology supports our HSRP setup, but today we're securing switch 0 and switch 1. First, we'll secure unused ports to prevent unauthorized access. We'll disable our ports on switch 0 and switch 1, except those connected to the PCs and routers. We use interface range to select ports 3 to 22, which are unused, shut down disable them, and description unused labels them for clarity. This prevents device from connecting to this port. Next, we'll implement port security on the process access ports to limit which device can access based on MAC address. We'll allow only one MAC address per port and shut down the port if there are violations. We enable port security, set a maximum of 1 MAC address, and configure shutdown for violations. Sticky learns the connected device MAC address dynamically and save it. This locks each ports to one device. To prevent VLAN hopping attacks, when an attacker jigs a trunk port in a sending traffic to unauthorized VLANs, we'll explicitly set trunk ports and disable DTP. We reinforce that ports 23 and 24 are trunks with switch port mode trunk and disabling dynamic trunking protocol with non-negotiate. This prevents an attacker from negotiating a trunk and accessing other VLANs. To prevent rogue DHCP servers from assigning malicious IP address, we'll enable DHCP snooping, trusting only the ports connected to our routers. We enable DHCP snooping globally, and for VLAN 10 and 20, ports connected to routers are trusted as they may forward legitimate DHCP traffic. Untrusted ports like those for PCs will block rogue DHCP server responses. Dynamic ARP inspection prevents ARP spoofing attacks by validating ARP packets against DHCP snooping bindings. We'll enable DAI for our VLANs. We enable DAI for VLANs 10 and 20. Ports to the routers are trusted as they handle legitimate ARP traffic. DAI checks ARP packets against the DHCP snooping database, dropping invalid ones. To prevent STP attacks, where a rogue A device sends PDUs to disrupt the spanning tree, will enable PDU guards on access ports to shut them down if PDU are received. We enable BPDU guard globally for port fast ports, which are our access ports. Spanning tree port fast ensures PCs connect quickly, and BPDU guard shutdowns the ports if a rogue device sends BPDU. Let's verify our security configurations using commands to ensure everything is set up correctly. That's it. You've secured switches in Packet Tracer against multiple attacks, a key skill for NetACAT and CCNA. Download the PKT file from the descriptions to practice. Like, subscribe, and let me know what NetACAT topic you want next.